Welcome to the Kentucky Show. I am Kentucky. Buying a hobby farm. Boy, that's an interesting subject. It sure is. And I wish I was younger. I'm 65. I bought one last year. That's why I'm saying I'm 65 and I wish I was younger. Hey, I bought it to flip. I bought it to make a profit. I sure did. Don't let this gray hair fool you. I know what I'm doing. Hey, I bought it, cleaned off the land. It's 4.7 acres. If you can buy any piece of property under 10 acres, buy it. And if you can afford that, buy it. It's a good investment. I'm looking as we talk right now. I've seen something I wanted to buy, but I'm gonna turn that down. I'm not gonna go down that road again. Hey, hobby farms, good for the mind, good for the body, good for retirement, right? Sure. You buy your piece of land and turn it into a nursery. You turn it into a hobby farm. You turn it into a hobby for profit with small livestock or something like that. You might be able to make a profit, dude. One thing good about having a hobby farm: small livestock, chickens, goats, sheep, rabbits, you know, free meat, putting food on the table. Hobby farm with a garden spot of an acre will feed your family. Perhaps you don't know, or no one has ever told you, one of the greatest American dreams in a distant time ago was to have a small farm, a small plot of land. Today we call them hobby farms. They was common during the early American days. A few acres of land, livestock, vegetable garden, flowers, herbs. That homesteading life was one of the greatest lives that Americans have experienced. If you are a nature lover and you want to support our pollinators and you got a little extra money to buy a hobby farm, you would bless Kentucky and you would bless America and you would bring great credit upon yourself in doing so. Hobby farms are a lot of work. There ain't no doubt about it, but they're fun work. And again, I bought this last year on Highway 279 South in Owensboro, Kentucky. And I am Kentucky, and this is the Kentucky Show. Be safe, my relatives. Enjoy the next few pictures.